Auburn Lewiston area traffic, cap 9194, taxi number system on 04 for immediate takeoff. See you downwind departure. Auburn Lewiston. Beautiful. Not quite center line, but we'll put it on right after.
Right. Now if you can do that, keep it in the middle of the runway, you'll be good.
Twitchell air traffic, Cessna 221 back taxiing 30 Twitchell.
What do you think? You ready to see how it flies without me in it?
So,
Huh?
I think so.
Alright, drop me off at the ramp. I'll watch you. Just do 3 takeoffs and landings. Just come in and land like you just did. Back taxi, take off again. Do 3, come in, I'll sign off your logbook.
Oh, it's still going under.
Yep. Yeah, that one is. The other one's moving around a little bit, but then I can sign off your logbook, and then I can sign you off to do solos to like Lewiston and Oxford. That way you can take it, go on your own. You know, you have to shut it off. I'll just pop out.
Don't walk forward.
I won't. I'll walk around behind it. Alright. Be prepared for an increase in performance. Get rid of some dead weight over here.
Twitchell area traffic, Cessna 221 back taxiing 30 Twitchells. Twitchell area traffic, Cessna 221 departing 30 Twitchells.
And Twitchell traffic, white flight 2 is passing runway center line, probably 30 at this time. And head to Lake Auburn to the hospital, should be no factor.
Airport, have you in sight. Twitchell air traffic, Cessna 221 downwind to 30 Twitchells.
Wisconsin traffic, Piper Cherokee 2427 Mike, left, down, left base, 25, 7, sorry.
Twitchell air traffic, Cessna 221 turning left base to 30 Twitchells.